Hi there and welcome back. I'm just here to show you another two of the winter stroke Christmas kits. This one's called The Story of Christmas Past. It's a 34 page digital. It's available also me printing it out and posting it to you. Now most of my kits are 35 pages. I could only fit 34 onto Etsy. So on Patreon it will be a 40-page kit. On Etsy it's a 34-page kit, and there's 2 freebies which is in Patreon as well. So these are the two which will be on Patreon. I'm not sure if I've put them up yet or not, but they will be going up on Patreon, and anybody level 1 or above will be able to see those and collect them. So that's those two, and these are the 6 extra that you get if you buy it from the Patreon shop. And I think any level can you? No, I think from the shop level, I don't know. So this is one of those. So we've got some labels and words, couple of circles, this lovely calendar page. We've got an invoicey collage page. Got a music page, which you can use as a page in your journal, same as with that, or you can be making a ephemera with that. Got this one, which you can do it in half and you get half of the candle on each side, or you could have it as a middle page, and then an extra page. So they're the 6 extra that you would get. Purchase it on Etsy, Patreon, and this is the full kit. So it looks like I'm starting off a fussy cut, so I don't normally start this way. So we've got some birds and a lamp, some lovely botanicals with the berries and the sagey colours. Then we've got some baubles and pines. Love these. So you could use this as a page if you wanted. I was thinking of it being a tear thing, so you could have that down the edge of a page, or tear it up into bits. Then we've got some label type things, and then some buttons and this little holly decoration. These are all full size. Obviously you can go in and reprint them 2 to a page to get half sizes. Got some frames which you can either cut those out or just place something over the top, with some people. Again, print those out different sizes. I think we've just 3 of the people. Then we've 2 big photos, which you could use this as a page, or obviously you could cut it down or print it smaller. Same with this one. Oh, I didn't realise there was 3 of them. And this one. And then I've done it, I don't know why. Oh, I've done it as a 4 as well, so that's doing it 2 to 1 page. Okay, so that's the kind of ephemera embellishments. Can't be, can it? Where's the... it can be. So here's the pages. So we've got journaling pages, writing on one side, and then a picture on the other side. And same again. This is a kit that I'm going to be using. And then got those ones with the like concretey plaster at that side. And then those ones. Loving the black and white with with the splashes of red. Then we've got a plain one. Well, it's not really plain, but you can use as a page or to back. Then we've some full ones, which you can either, you know, have as your centre spread, or you can have half and half on each side. So we've got that one. And that one. And then we've got that one and that one. So that is that kit. Okay, and this one is called Winter Botanicals. This is another one that I'm going to be doing. So this first page is going to be a freebie up on Patreon. It's not up at this moment, but might be by the time this video goes up. Again, I could only fit 34 pages up on Etsy. So there's an extra 6 from the Patreon shop. So these are the extra 6. So I've got a portrait, we've got some fussy cuts, got labels. You can use these as either your back of your journal cards, or you can use them as the fronts of your journal cards, or you can change them into pockets. You can keep 2 together and do them, you know, either that way or that way or that way, you know, with them not actually having a directional picture. This cut apart one and another portrait one. So they're the 6 extra that you get from the Patreon shop. So this is what's on Etsy, and you know, the rest of the 34 pages on Patreon. So with a couple of pockets. This can be either, you know, folded up to make a pocket, or it can be an opening piece. Got a large envelope, and can use this as an envelope or a folio, or you can sew it in your journal. Got some pockets, some labels, and these can be used as belly bands or side tucks, or to attach you know, another page, and this will be like your flip part. Got some tags, and then some tiny tags. You can either use, you know, for little embellishments. Some labels, and then some more tags and circle and I was going to say squidgies, other shaped things. So that's those. Got some lovely bottles with you know, winter botanicals in there. I'll use those as some tucks as well as decoration, so I've put a few smaller ones in there. Obviously you can print them two to a page as well to get all your different sizes. Got lots of Santas surrounded with the holly and the cones, some poinsettias and berries and holly. Some Christmas trees, and then this is the papers. So these are mainly non-directional, so it doesn't really matter which way those ones go. Okay, then we've got these sort. Then we've got a full one like that, and it's folded in half. And with some with, you know, quite a lot going off, but you can still use them as writing pages. Why are those clipped together? Oh, what's not supposed to be with those? You can obviously still write on that one. I'm not sure about that, but I'm sure you could. But they're nice just as pretty pages, aren't they? Probably best put in a pocket on that bit. And then you can either use this as your centre spread, or, you know, half and half on each side. Then we've got some full page ones, which I think mainly can be used landscape or portrait. And these can be used as sheets or making your ephemera. I think I'm going to mix these two kits together, the one that I've just shown you and this one. I think they'll work nicely together. So that is Winter Botanicals and the story of Christmas past, which I don't know where I've just put it, but it must be somewhere. Okay, thank you very much. These are already up in Etsy and up in Patreon. So until next time, I think it'll be a crafting video, the next video that you see. But yeah, I think these will work really well together. Yeah, so yes, I shall be using probably both of these at the same kind of time. I'll probably only, I don't know, hopefully be able to make about 4 journals. I think these are the only 2 Christmas kits I'm going to be doing. I've got a winter kit which I'll do after Christmas. So yeah, thank you very much, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.